We are the premium laser and LED lighting manufacturer located in Shenzhen. We focus on laser source and laser products for 11 years. We produce LED and laser lighting for holiday, laser Christmas lights, garden, stage, RGB animation laser light, room, aurora sky projector, party, advertising, plant grow, newest bird repellent lamp, used for indoor and outdoor. All our products are past the CE RoHS testing and 100% fully testing before shipment to make sure good quality. Not only do aging test for 6 to 8 hours of lamps, but also test each remote control and power supply. After 11 years development, we have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 30 countries, including USA, UK, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, Poland, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Middle East, and South Africa. Our monthly production capacity is 70,000 units. And our R&D department is committed to the development of new products all the time, every year. About 10 new products are released, and we also provide professional warranty service. During 1 year is free. It is our priority to serve our customers with good products and solutions. We always strive for the best. If you are interested in our products, please contact us right now.
Hello everyone. The Morio Trusting X Laser focuses on laser source and laser product for 12 years. We will be the right one you are looking for. Welcome, Global Angel.